What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of The Scuba Driver. My name is Steven. Today we're going to be making a quick video. I got a brand new pressure washer in, and you know how much I really love to wash my car if you guys watch my videos. And I don't know what's taking me so long to get one, but my mom got me one for my birthday last week, and it just got in on Thursday. It's been absolutely horrible weather for the past few days here in North Carolina, but we finally got a pretty day. I'm sure it's going to rain tomorrow, but my car is absolutely disgusting. If you guys saw my Instagram post from yesterday, I went to South Carolina. I went to a shooting range to take some classes, and I pretty much had to drive through the mud, which I've never had to do in this car, and it's going to be the ultimate test for my brand new pressure washer, which we're going to look at right now. So this is what we're going to be talking about today. This is my Amazon pressure washer. It's called a Tiande pressure washer. It's about $130 on Amazon, and it's a 3,500 PSI, so it should be really good for washing cars and doing everything else I need it to do. It's actually really cool. This is going to be the first time I've actually used it, but just from putting it together, it was very simple. Just a couple of screws to get the top part on, and it comes with a lot of accessories. It comes with the gun. It also comes with this long tube and some different nozzle pieces for different pressure. I haven't hooked the hose up to it yet, but we're going to do that next. I also got all of my chemical guy stuff. So my brother-in-law and my sister got me a bunch of chemical guy stuff for my birthday, and then Kevin has all of his over here. And one of the really cool things that my brother-in-law got me was this foam cannon from Chemical Guys. Comes with the attachment, so that should hook up right up to my pressure washer. Anyways, we're going to put this to the ultimate test. We'll hook the hose up and see how it goes. So hooking up our water source is very easy. You just take this little blast hole sticker off and you screw your hose onto the front part of it, and I've got it nice and tight on there. So next part, I'm just going to plug it in and hopefully it works. Alright, so I've got my water source turned on. We're plugged into the electrical outlet over there. I haven't turned the pressure washer on. You can see the water is coming through to my gun here. So now all I got to do is turn this on. Alright, it's making some noise. Let's see if we get some pressure out of it. Okay, so if I would just read my instruction manuals first, I would notice that long pole is actually called the lance. That actually hooks directly up to the pressure washer gun here. When I turned that on, I noticed not too much pressure was coming out. So those little attachments, those right there, those actually go onto the end of the lance as well. So I started off with the red one, which is a 0 degrees linear high pressure water column. So we're going to check that out right now, see what the pressure is. Oh yeah. All right, let's try. We're going to try a different nozzle. This time we'll try the yellow one. Actually, we'll go big first. I'll take this red one off. We'll go with the white one. The white one, and my instruction manual says that is the 40 degrees. So we went from 0 degrees to 40 degrees right here. So let's check this out. See how much pressure is. Okay, so this one's more of like a wide angle. Now I know I'm colorblind, but this looks yellow to me. My instruction manual says that it's orange, but so orange or yellow. This is our 15 degree one. Pretty good. I think we're gonna go back to the red. Okay, so it shot off. I got it back on there. This is the high pressure one. Take 2.
You got this shit knocking on.
Switch back to the yellow nozzle, or what my manual says is the orange nozzle. That other one was a little bit too much pressure, I think. So this one, as you can see, back bumper completely caked in mud. Turn this on. So that pressure washer is amazing. It blasted all that mud off there, no problem, way better than my hose would. So now I'm going to do the foam cannon. I've got a lot of different foams to choose from, but I'm going to go with the Chemical Guys Hydro Suds. It's their ceramic car wash soap. This one should be pretty awesome, so I'm going to go mix this up, and then we're going to hook it up to the foam cannon and see how it comes out. All right, I got my stuff mixed up here. This is actually the Torq one we're going to be using. This is one my brother-in-law got me for my birthday. This one here, I've had for a little while. I have used this before. This one can actually hook up to a regular hose attachment. So if you don't have a pressure washer like I just got, you can actually grab one of these from Torq and from Chemical Guys, and this can actually hook up to a regular hose extension, so you can utilize a foam cannon without having to have a pressure washer. But since we got one now, we're actually going to use this one. It's actually be fairly simple. All I have to do is add about 2 ounces of this in here, fill the rest up with water, and this should hook up right up to my pressure washer, and we'll get some really good foam action. Okay, so we got the foam cannon hooked up. Should just spray foam all over the car now. Okay, so I took it for a test drive a second ago, and it works really, really well. So all you gotta do is take your foam cannon, hook it straight onto your pressure washer there, and then so as you can see, I've got the entire car covered in foam. It is working perfectly, and this stuff smells really, really good, so shout out to Chemical Guys. I've never had car wash soap that smelled so good. Anyways, I'm gonna hook the pressure washer back up, and we're gonna spray all this off and see how it comes.
You got this shit knocking low.
Okay, we got the car all cleaned up. Give my honest opinion, this thing is definitely worth it. If you guys are in the market for a pressure washer, you don't want to spend an arm and a leg. This one's 3,500 PSI. You can get it for about $130, $140 on Amazon. So 10 out of 10, I would recommend that if you guys are in the market for a pressure washer for your car. Anyways, the car looks really, really good. I'll just have to learn how to play with the, the different attachments and all the different kinds of foam that I have over here. I really like the one that I use today. It's called the Chemical Guys Hydro Suds Ceramic Car Wash Soap. But as you can see, I've got a lot to choose from. We've got different foams, different polishes, waxes, interior cleaners, glass cleaners. The possibilities are endless. So definitely going to step up my detailing game in the future and play around with all of this. But anyways, make sure you guys like this video and subscribe to my channel if you did like today's content. Can't wait to bring you guys some more videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.